Welcome back to another episode here on Diski Parliament. As you already know, my name is Siyabonga Shabangu. I'm a member here at Diski Parliament and I represent Mabagania, the 2025-2026 Betway Premiership champions. We've just been crowned the champions and well deserved. I think Orlando Pirates really deserved to win this Betway Premiership. Slale grand bafethu. But otherwise, welcome back to the show if you are a returning subscriber. And if you are new to this show, welcome. Please do subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you get notified every time we make an upload. La Diski Parliament sikhuluma nje ngediski yala ekhaya. Sinema representation lamaningi from the different teams in the PSL. As you will see, as time goes by, we will introduce them gradually. Currently, the show only represents only one voice, which is currently me. I try by all means to be fair, but obviously my views will always be biased and they will always be influenced by the team that I support, by the champions, obvious. But otherwise, bafethu, namuhla I just want us to talk general conversation about what happened. Focus kakhulu ku Pirates about what happened nje ku league. Ekseba fethu. I remember very well we went from people singing about us. We went from people singing about us. But they were singing about us. Sina ndaba nePirates thina sihleli phezulu thina sihleli phezulu. They were singing that. They were saying they can't be talking about Pirates because there is no point. Now they have all the reasons to talk about us because we've just made the point. You understand? We gave them the point to talk about. Yeah. So now they can talk too much. And at the time they couldn't talk about us. There was no point back then. So now they have the point. So it is the game. It is the nature of the game. And khona lo mnyemjitha lo sanokukhuluma lapha kuma fans wethu. Uhlala asho athi Mabagania, they have the giraffe's view. Uyangizwa? They have a giraffe's view. Babonela into the future. Thina sabona kuqala ukuthi we were going to win this league. From the get-go, when we signed Coach Ward, we knew that this is the man that will lead us to win the league. Yabo. That was the man. You could tell nje afika shala amaphoza akhe sekenda so bowubona ukuthi lokho win league lo. Bokuvela ukubona ukuthi lokho awadi ukuthi ngemsebenzi la khaya. He was here to work. It was clear from the get-go that Ward was going to win. From the get-go, even when we lost the first two games, the spirit of the Buccaneers was never broken. Yabo. So otherwise bafethu iligi iphele kamnanzi. I think this season we had one of the best seasons in the history of EPSL. This was one of the best seasons. Very interesting, very competitive. Because if you look at the top of the table, you have Orlando Pirates with 69 points, the crowned champions. Then you have the former champions sitting at 68 points. Bayangithola, number 2. So basically, there's a one point difference there. It was not easy for Orlando Pirates to win this one. Then obviously you have Kaizer Chiefs coming in dead at 54 points, followed by AmaZulu just behind with 47 points. So it's tough. We are going to the gap lapha. Now we are position 7, 8, and 9. There's Polokwane City in number 7 with 40 points. There's Durban City at number 8 with 39 points. Just slightly below that, you have Stellenbosch with 37 points. Yeah, I want to see tough na corner. They are very close. Then Lepers, unfortunately, we had to send Orbit College to relegation. That's because we wanted the league. both teams, they had something to lose and something to win. So it's unfortunate that we had to do it this way. We understand those are providers, they have families to feed, and obviously with this relegation, it obviously means their salaries might get affected in a negative way. So it's not nice to see such things happening, but it is the nature of the game. It was clear from the get-go. They knew what they were signing up for. It's a pity that we had to send them, and we are happy we won. But about the situation, them being relegated, it's not nice if you look at it in terms of those are providers and their families. To continue, we have Orbit College with 24 points, relegated. We have Magezi also with 24 points. They are going to play the playoffs. They are ahead of Orbit College by just 7 goals. Magezi has minus 19 goal difference, whereas Orbit College has minus 26. So there's a 7 goal difference there. So you see with Nale Pass tight. Then slightly above that you have Marumo Gallants at number 14 and Chippa at number 13. Chippa with 28 points, Marumo Galaxy with 25 points. So this was one of the most competitive leagues that we've seen in a very, 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 very long time. So shout out to all teams. Well done to Orlando Pirates, well deserved. And Mamelodi Sundowns, the former champions, they really did well in bringing that competition. Unfortunately, just like every empire, it has to collapse. Even the greatest tyrants, they have to fall at some point. Their dominance is finally over here at home. Now a new age has begun. So we will continue to see this development. Orlando Pirates winning the Betway Premiership. It's going to be a number of years, a number of seasons. So the other people will have to bear with us. Kaizer Chiefs people, Usutu, even Mamelodi Sundowns, they will have to bear with us because we are going to take the 2026-2027 again, and the 2027 and the 2028. We are going to take all of those seasons. Our journey is just starting. It's just starting. We're gonna win them. We had a treble. This is a treble. Let us not forget. Let's not forget that Wadu won us 3 trophies this season. 4 if you want to take le Njonjo, le Carling Black Label. Sengifuna kuyirapha ke manje, ngifuna kuyirapha. Siyayirapha ke manje, siyayirapha. Danko bafethu, thank you for tuning in and watching this far. We really appreciate your support, and we really appreciate you consuming our content. It means a lot for Diski Parliament. Our plan is to actually grow Diski Parliament. So your like, your subscribe really means a lot towards helping us achieving that goal. So we really appreciate your support. Buffet too. Don't forget to like this video and hit the subscribe button, and also tap on that notification bell so that you get notified every time we do an upload. Yes, Buffet too. Danko. Diski Parliament. This is your boy Siyabonga Shabangu, Mr. Shabangu Se on TikTok and Mr. Shabangu Se on Facebook. Thank you, Buffet.